The Thomas Cook Airlines Boeing 757-28A, registration G-FCLE. This aircraft is linked to Boeing 757-MSN28171, line number 805, and served with Thomas Cook UK from March 2003 until March 2014 before later flying as Royal Flight VQBTR. The real G-FCLE was photographed in Thomas Cook colours at Palma de Mallorca in 2010, a perfect reminder of the airline's busy European holiday routes. In 1:200 scale, this in-flight 200 release captures a beloved British leisure airline 757 with strong nostalgia and serious collector appeal. Like, follow, and subscribe to inflight200models.com for more updates.